How to fix flickering screen in Chrome. Is your Chrome screen flickering on Windows 11? Let's fix it step by step. So the first thing you can do is to disable hardware acceleration. So to do this, you need to open up your Google Chrome browser, and then from here, click on this at the top right and then select settings. And this will take you to your settings. Now on your settings, head over to system and look for hardware acceleration. So turn off hardware acceleration and relaunch Chrome. This resolves most GPU conflicts. Another thing you can do is to update Google Chrome. So to do that, click on About Chrome on your settings, and that will take you here. So in here, Google Chrome will then automatically start checking if there are any updates available for the Google Chrome app on your PC or laptop. And then the installation will then start, and once it's installed, Google Chrome will then ask you to relaunch the app. Now, if that does not resolve the issue, another thing you can do is to update your graphics drivers. So, update your graphics drivers, right click Start, and then open Device Manager, and then update your GPU drivers.